Hey guys, it's Jessie Lipke and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making my shrimp spring roll salad. Now, this salad has all of the traditional flavors that we know and love in a spring roll, but it has less carbs and it's gonna take you less time in the kitchen so that you have more time to enjoy. So, let's get started.
These are all of the ingredients that you're going to need for today's recipe. So we have 3 cups of raw shrimp which are peeled and deveined. Then we're going to be shredding up 1 cup of red cabbage. We have 1 cup of shredded carrots. Then we have some spring onions, some cilantro, and sesame seeds. Of course, our low-carb noodles. If you can, try and find low-carb noodles in the form of pad thai noodle. Then we have 1 large head of romaine lettuce, and then we'll be using some lime juice as well. So go ahead and grab all of these ingredients and let's go. Before we wash and cut our veggies, just start by taking your raw shrimp, and we're going to add some cold water in order to allow these to thaw, and we'll just be swapping out that water every 5 minutes. So go ahead and do that. Let's get spinning. Let's do the second bunch. Taking a bread knife, we're just finely shredding our cabbage. Just a reminder, don't forget to swap out your water. We're now going to make our peanut sauce. Half a cup of peanut butter. Now adding a 1/4 cup of coconut aminos or tamari. This is just an alternative to soy sauce, just a healthier option. 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. That's about 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. 1 tablespoon of garlic sriracha, just for a bit of spice. Then 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. As you can see, the consistency is almost like a paste, so what we want to do is add in some warm water. So we're going to add 3 tablespoons. Amazing. Look at that beautiful consistency. That's just how I like it. So I can now set this aside. Our shrimp is thawed. We're ready to add some seasonings. So I'm just going to start by drizzling a bit of olive oil. I'm going to add a pinch of salt, add some ground chili, just for a bit of spice, ground ginger, and some garlic, and mix. Bringing your pan to medium-high heat, adding a little bit of olive oil. Once your pan is hot, we're going to add in our shrimp, and we're just letting our shrimp cook until it's pink, then we'll flip over. So while my shrimp cooks, I'm going to prepare my low-carb noodles. Just follow the instructions on your bag as it may vary. So we've rinsed our low-carb noodles under running water for 1 minute, so we'll now pat these dry. So we'll now flip our shrimp as we're getting some beautiful coloring on the other side. Beautiful. Our shrimp are ready to go, so we're going to remove them from the heat now. It's now time to assemble our shrimp spring roll salad. This is the fun part when we get to just throw everything together. Also, don't forget, if you did have tails on, just to remove the tails. Our shredded carrots, cabbage, low-carb noodles, cilantro, spring onions, our shrimp, lime juice. So this is going to be just about 1 tablespoon, some sesame seeds, of course, our peanut sauce. Time to bring all of those beautiful flavors together. Look at the beautiful, vibrant colors in this salad. Oh, I can't wait to dig in.
That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Make sure to give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.